the time the greatest foot of
Catch a wave.
If you down, keep fast, not put it down.
You paddle out, turn around and raise, and baby, that's all there is to the coastline craze. You gotta catch a wave when you're sitting on top of the
not just a buzz, 'cause it's been going on so long.
catch a wave.
They said it couldn't last too long.
They leave their words with a fork and spoon, and watch 'em, they'll hit the road and they'll be surfing soon. And when they catch a wave and you're sitting on top of the
From a top notch surfing
catch a wave.
But don't you treat it like that,
Get away from the shady turf and baby, go catch some rays on the sunny surf. And when you